Sometimes our data has gaps. If we analyze or use it for calculations, these blanks could cause incorrect results. Instead of just guessing the missing numbers, imagine we have a table with 4 columns: total, value 1, value 2, and value 3. Some values in the last 3 columns are missing, but we need to fill them intelligently. We assume the total column already holds the correct sum for each row, we identify which values are missing, and we distribute the remaining portion of the total among the missing values evenly. Now let's solve it in Power Query with just a few steps. Ready? Let's go. Click on any cell inside the table, navigate to Data from Table Range. Now let's create a new step. We will use a function called table.tolist. Sometimes it's a good idea to transform your data into lists, because list functions are very powerful. Let's define a new variable called val for values to fill in for each row. The underscore symbol and 0 in curly brackets refers to the first value, total column, and list sum calculates the sum of all values in these columns. List skip extracts all columns except the first one by default. We also add double question mark operator and 0 to make sure that our results will be correct even if all these values are null. List count minus list non-null count finds the number of blank values, and the whole formula will calculate the value to fill in. Now we can replace blank values with the calculated value. So just use list transform underscore symbol each underscore symbol double question mark val. This is the shortest syntax to replace nulls in the row with the computed values. Now we only need to convert the processed list back into a table. Let's use table from rows function. But the column names are still a little bit off. To fix this, we will use the second argument, value type source. This little piece of code might be new to many of you, but let's break it down. Value type ensures the new table retains the same column types as the original table, as well as column names. And that's it, a fully automated way to fill missing values using Power Query. See ya!